Hi students, I am Professor Rane and I am in this field of education for last 30 years. Today I have come in front of you to give you some tips for revision and for better score. The name of this article which I am going to explain you today is a study signal. See, so many things are there around us which we can utilize it in our day-to-day life, in our day-to-day work. One of this is a signal, traffic signal. You must have seen the traffic signal. In the signal, you must have observed there are three colors. Number 1, red. Number 2, yellow. Number 3, green. You know that red stands for stop the car, yellow stands for slow down the car, and the third one, that is green, move with the car, right? Let us use the same thing, same colors in our study also. Now question arises, how? I'll explain. Let us take any subject. Say for example, algebra we are taking. Take the index page of algebra. There are 6 lessons. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Right? Out of these 6 lessons, few lessons you are very thorough with. You have done all the solvings of all the sums, all the types you have covered, you have revised also. So there are 3 lessons in this category. You mark them with green color. So now out of 6, there are 3 lessons which are of green colors. The second type of lesson is, some part of the lesson we have done, some part of the lesson is not done. You are not sure about the half of the lesson. You mark that lesson as a yellow lesson. You mark it with yellow mark, right? Next, few lessons are there you have not touched it yet. In a school it is taught to you by the teachers, in classes also it is taught to you by the teacher, but you have not touched it. Mark it by red. So now you have 3 types of lessons: green lesson, yellow lesson, red lesson. So it stands for you have to concentrate more on red lesson. Give first priority to red lesson. You do those red lessons on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yellow lessons on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and green lessons on Sunday. Every lesson requires a revision. Unless and until you revise the lesson, it is not completed, right? So you give more priority and more time to red lesson, then secondary thoughts to the green lesson, and the last priority will be for the revision. So revise all the lesson and try to convert red into yellow, yellow into green. Before you enter in the exam hall, all the lessons should be green, and that will be your result. Thank you very much. Thank you.